Hey friends, if you wish to fix Werfault.exe error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Go to open system restore, click on next, choose a good restore point, click on next and then select finish and finally click on yes. The next solution is malware removal. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT. Okay. Click on next, choose full scan, click on next and let it run through. The last solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So search for memory in the Windows search bar and go to Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on restart now and check for problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.